This will happen to pregnant ladies who eat watermelon. Everyone is just too in love in eating watermelons. When you are pregnant, you start thinking, is it safe to eat watermelon during pregnancy? You started to worry that by eating watermelon might harm your baby inside? Look at here how watermelons could affect your tummy's baby. Most doctors will be happy to tell you it is good to eat watermelons during your pregnancy, since it have bunch of richness in nutrients. Here are the unknown amazing health benefits of watermelon during pregnancy. Relief from heartburn. Pregnant ladies usually suffer from digestive problem like heartburn and acidity. Watermelon help to soothe and ease food passes esophagus, food pipe, and stomach. Also provide instant relief from heartburn. Help to reduces swelling. During pregnancy, you might experience light swelling on your hands and feet, or edema, fluid accumulation in the body tissues. Rich in water content found in watermelon cure the problem by reduces blockages in veins and muscles, and work to treat edema. Energized from morning sickness. Consume a glass of fresh watermelon juice during pregnancy every day morning. Provides a soothing and refreshing energy throughout day. Energizing and nutritional agent help relieve from morning sickness. Treats dehydration. Dehydration can cause bad problems such as premature contractions. Causes premature birth. Pregnant women should drink lots of water to prevent dehydration. About 90% water found in melon greatly prevent dehydration. Relieves muscle cramps. Pregnant ladies' body goes by various changes such as pain in the muscles and bones when weight is increasing and fluctuating in hormones. Consume your watermelon any ways you like to helps your body cure and ease common pregnancy muscle cramps. Prevents skin darkening during pregnancy. Skin darkening during pregnancy is common skin problem and it can stress you up. Watermelon is the key to prevent that condition by helping to promotes easy digestion. Keeps bowel movements smooth. Good digestion also beautify texture and glowing effect on your skin. Diuretic and detoxifying effects. Watermelon has diuretic or cleansing agent to helps flush out harmful toxins from the body. Stimulates kidney function. Purifies the liver and reduces uric acid levels in the blood. Boosts energy levels. Watermelon contains a rich amount of minerals like potassium and magnesium with vitamins A, B1 and B6. Best needed energy boosters for body. Also promote healthy growth of babies. Healthy eyesight. Immune system. Brain and nervous systems. Preeclampsia is pregnancy condition cause. High blood pressure. Fluid retention, excess fluid, and proteinuria, abnormal protein in urine. Can serious effects on both mom and baby. Prevents preeclampsia. Having high lycopene levels is helpful in reducing the risks of preeclampsia during pregnancy. Eating plenty of the fruit in any form reduce chances of baby with intrauterine growth retardation. Everyone know eating too many is never the good way of healthy eating. If overeat too much sweetness of watermelon, you will find out below disadvantage. Gestational diabetes. Excessive eating sweetness from watermelon can spike blood glucose levels, thus leading to gestational diabetes. Too much cleansing. Watermelon helps to flush toxins out from body, but if consumed too much might also over-detox by flushing out some of the vital nutrients. Gastric problems. Watermelon that is opened for a long time kept should be avoided because can cause nausea, vomiting, gastrointestinal problem.